we are seeing the what is meant by open sphere and closed sphere. Okay, now we'll see one example on this. Let x comma d be a matrix space and SRX is the open sphere with center x and radius r. Let x comma d be a matrix space, SRX be the open sphere with center x and radius r. Let A be the subset of x. A be the subset of x with diameter less than r. With diameter less than r. Okay, that is d of A is less than r, which intersects SRX. This intersects SRX. Then we have to show that A is subset of S2RX. Okay, what we have given, x comma d be a matrix space. That is, D is matrix means it satisfies all the four conditions. Okay, SRX be the open sphere with center x and radius r, and A be the subset of x with diameter less than r. A is the subset of x whose diameter is less than r, and A intersects SRX. Then we have to show that A is subset of S2RX. Okay. Now we have given that A intersects SRX. Means their intersection is non-empty. A intersects SRX means their intersection is non-empty. There exists at least one element. Let A belonging to A intersection SRX. Their intersection is non-empty means there exists at minimum at least one element. We have taken this element as A. Suppose that A belongs to A intersection SRX means A belongs to A and A belongs to SRX. Okay. A belongs to SRX means A is the element which belongs to this open sphere. But then by definition of open sphere, distance between the point, here is the point A and center is x, okay, is less than radius r. Okay, we have taken that one element which belongs to intersection means A belongs to A and A belongs to SRX. A belongs to SRX is means SRX is the open sphere, centered at x and radius r. Open sphere centered at x and radius r means distance between, by definition of open sphere, distance between the point A and center d of A comma x must be less than r for some r greater than 0. Okay, let y be any arbitrary point. Let us take y be any arbitrary point of A. Then by using triangle inequality, we can write d of y comma x is less than d of y comma A plus d of A comma x. Okay. Let y be any arbitrary point of A. Y be any arbitrary point of A. Then by using triangle inequality, d of y comma x is less than or equal to d of y comma A plus d of A comma x. Okay. Means now substitute the values d of y comma A, both y is point of A and again small a is point of A, means y and A both are points of A. We can take this is r because of we have given that diameter of A is less than r. Diameter of A is less than r means if we take any two element, their maximum distance must be less than r. The distance between any 2 points must be less than r. By using this definition of diameter, we have taken that d of y comma A is less than r, and d of A comma x. From this term, d of A comma x is less than r. We can write here r, which is equal to 2r. Means d of y comma x is less than 2r. Now in terms of open sphere, Now we have to write this in terms of open sphere. Here radius is 2r. Okay. Center is x and remaining is point. Y belongs to S2R of x. We have started that y is arbitrary point of A, and we have shown that y belongs to S2R of x. Means from these 2 points, this one and this one, we can write as A is subset of S2R of x. We have taken any one point, y is arbitrary point of A, and shown that this point belongs to S2R of x. Means A is subset of S2R of x. Okay, A is subset of S2R of x. Okay, listen. We have given that A intersection SRX is not equal to phi. Means their intersection is non-empty. Suppose that A belongs to this intersection. Means A belongs to A and A belongs to SRX. Here SRX is the open sphere. Then by definition of open sphere, distance between point and center is less than r. Here radius is r for some r greater than 0. Now we have taken y be any arbitrary point of A. Then by using definition of matrix P of y comma x, that is fourth inequality, fourth property, triangle inequality, d of y comma x is less than or equal to d of y comma a plus d of a comma x. Now d of y comma a, y and a both the points belongs to A, and since the diameter of A is less than r, we can write here r. By definition of open sphere, we can write here r, that is r plus r is 2r. Means d of y comma x is less than 2r. Now we write this term as in terms of open sphere. Here radius is 2r, yes 2r, less than means open sphere. Radius is 2r, center is x, and point is y. Y belongs to S2R of x. And we have started from y belongs to A and shown that y belongs to S2R of x. Means A is subset of S2R of x. Okay. Thank you.